नमस्कार, बहुत स्वागत है आपका। आपके साथ मैं हूं रंजना सिंह राठौर और सीधा जर्मनी से हमारे साथ जुड़ गई हैं कैसेंड्रा मै स्पिटमैन। कैसेंड्रा हिंदी, संस्कृत समेत कई भारतीय भाषाओं में भजन गाती हैं। हालांकि उनको दिखाई नहीं देता, लेकिन उनके आवाज में ऐसा जादू है कि कोई भी सुनकर मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाएगा उनको। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने भी सोशल मीडिया पर कैसेंड्रा की तारीफ की थी और उनके जज्बे को सलाम भी किया था। और इस वक्त आप देख पा रहे होंगे कैसेंड्रा हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं। कैसेंड्रा, वेलकम टू न्यूज नेशन।
Hello.
Cassandra, the first question would be like, why do you choose Indian languages to recreate the music? You could have chosen any other language, but why just Indian language?
Yes, it's really true. I also speak in many different languages, such as French and Spanish and things like that. I learned the languages in school, but Indian languages, I tried to, like songs in Indian languages, I tried to teach myself because it really motivates me. I love Indian culture, Indian music, Indian languages, Indian people.
That's great, Cassandra. And in the run-up to grand inauguration of Lord Rama Temple in Ayodhya, you must be aware of the same. Entire nation is gripped in Ram fever. So I just would like to request you on the occasion, can you please sing for us your famous song, like which you have created recently on social media, Ram Aayenge, for our audiences?
राम आएंगे तो आंगना सजाऊंगे, दीप जला के दिवाली मैं मनाऊंगी, मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे। राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे, आएंगे राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे, आएंगे राम आएंगे।
Amazing, Cassandra, amazing. And not just this song, I have heard few more shlokas of yours on different platforms of social media. I'm sure you wouldn't mind singing that shlokas for audiences as well.
Yes, sure, I can do that.
Thank you.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय, सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा, निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव, सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Amazing, Cassandra, amazing. And see, as we all know that Hanuman ji are like, synonyms, and they were very close, and also Hanuman Gayatri Mantra and Shri Hanuman Mantra. Have you heard those mantras, and can you recite the same for us?
ॐ अञ्जनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात्।
That's great, Cassandra. Actually, I am very curious, and this is my personal curiosity to ask this question to you: that how do you get this language correct, the diction correct? Like, I am sure you must have not learned this, of course.
Yeah, I mean, I listen to these kind of bhajans and songs every day, actually. So I really am focusing on my hearing, like every time I listen to songs.
Yeah, that's good. And I'm sure you must be aware of the environment. If not, I'll just tell you that in India, the whole country is waiting for the inauguration of new Lord Rama Temple. It's been, a very exciting moment for all of us, and I can see that you are as well very excited. Like, how was the response when you got to know that, Prime Minister of India has retweeted your song? What was the reaction on social media?
I think the people really freaked out in a positive way. I mean, I got so many comments and so many messages like, he retweeted you, and now you're in the news and things like that. So people were getting very excited, and I think they got even more excited because of this occasion and because he also retweeted my work. And yeah, I just couldn't believe it. So it was very overwhelming to me.
So you just told me that you know Sanskrit as well. So anything you would want to sing in Sanskrit, any song you know?
Achyutam Keshavam Ramanarayanam अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं भजे कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं भजे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
It's wonderful. It's lovely, Cassandra. I would
Thank you.
request you to sing any other bhajans you know or any Ram Dhun you know.
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने वस्तु अमोलिक दे मेरा सतगुरु वस्तु अमोलिक दे मेरा सतगुरु गिरपादर अपनायो पायो जी मैंने गिरपादर अपनायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो.
Amazing, Cassandra. Like, I am probably amazed, and I'm sure that your fans on social media and the people who are watching you right now would be amazed as well. It's an amazing moment for all of us, and you're making it even more amazing. Right now, the event in our
Thank you.
country is like huge, and everybody is like waiting for the 22nd of the January when the inauguration is going to happen. So, anything else, any spiritual song, anything related to Lord Rama, you would want to sing?
ॐ दाशरथाय विद्महे सीतवल्लभाय धीमहि तन्नो राम प्रचोदयात्. ॐ तन्नो राम प्रचोदयात्.
Wonderful. That's lovely, Cassandra. It's amazing to have you with us. Thank you for joining in.
Thank you.